In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the monitor and probe for your Vividia 4 and 2-way borescopes. The process is fairly simple, but some attention to detail is required. To remove the monitor, simply turn the knob counterclockwise while keeping the monitor straight and steady with your other hand. Once it gets looser, gently pull the monitor up from the probe. To attach the monitor, make sure to line the pins in the handle up with the holes in the monitor. If this isn't done properly, it is easy to bend the pins out of alignment and possibly damage or break them. Use the slot and groove in the top middle to make sure the pins are in alignment, and carefully affix. Once they are, continue to hold the monitor on the probe steadily, as it will not stay on until it is screwed tightly onto the monitor. While keeping the monitor connected with your left hand, use your right hand to turn the knob in a clockwise motion until the monitor is sufficiently tightened. Now turn on your borescope to ensure that you have a picture. If you do not see an image on your screen, disconnect the monitor again and check to see if the alignment was off, paying careful attention to make sure none of the pins were bent or damaged. If you run into any issues or have questions during this process, please contact Oasis Scientific to troubleshoot.